Wagwan, this are the video explainer for real beginners in a tech. We are bringing to you by African EdTech. You can call me Mimi Digital, and we aim the series for people who come from the African diaspora. We talk Pidgin, or Patwa, Creole, or Cavacano. Welcome to part 4 out of 5. In this video, we are going to explain more about the backend. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident about what you want to do next. In the previous video, we did look upon the core meaning for middleware and CPU and APIs. Make we now take a closer look upon the back end. So when we are focused upon the back end, we are going to look upon the different parts of the back end. Now, when people talk about the back end in a tech, they usually talk about servers as the main thing. It's not the main thing, but it's mainly about servers. So, what I want you to think about is that the front end are interface and the back end are servers. Both of them work together. The servers and the end user now have no direct interaction. So, as an end user, you're not going to interact directly with the servers. But what you need to know as somebody where I come in a tech is that you have servers where are going to be on the premises and you have servers where off premises. And that lead with a talk about the cloud. So when we talk about on premises, it means say machine is there where belong to you or belong to the business you interact with. And them own the machine them in a way where them can physically access them. If somebody did have or have a need for an engineer, them can send an engineer to look upon the problem with this server. On the back end with the cloud is more one service we provide by specialists. And so instead of call it off-prem, we call it the cloud. That's the difference. And so many examples there for what the back end is. Of course, it's more than just servers. All your algorithms go on in the back end. The architecture them in the back end, and some of them they're on the screen. So we just want you to bear that in mind. As we look upon them example for what the back end is, now ask yourself what next you want to do. Explore your options. Press pause, save, and share this video. And take a step to do something for yourself. So move you forward with your digital tech journey. Choose what you want to do next. Get in touch with me, join the discussion on the website, ask a question, get expert answers. Lots of tools and resources there to start you off. Just take a step in a digital tech. That's all you need to do is to start somewhere. Thank you for watching and